So this is all the stuff we used to make a chopper. We 3D printed it. Then we put the stickers here on it to mark the parts. And then some of them broke. And then the ones that we 3D printed them again. And then we glued them together and painted them. And then we sanded them after we glued them.
Why do you have so much cardboard over here?
Because we had to have platforms to paint it on. So then we epoxied it, then sanded it, then painted it, and then we used some sticks to paint it on, and then we sanded it some more, painted it some more, and glued it some more, and then we did like final coats of paint, and then we clear coated it, and then we dried it, and then there was a chopper.
What are all those sticks there for?
These things?
Yeah.
They were
that's
to
why.
dry it on.
Oh.
Drying those.
So all of this stuff to make one chopper.
Yeah, it's a big chopper though.